In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark from Excel. Whether you're dealing with a watermark that's right there on your screen or one that only makes its presence known when you hit print, don't worry, we've got you covered with two straightforward methods to get rid of it. So let's start with the watermark that appears on your screen. This one can be particularly distracting as you work on your spreadsheet, especially if it's cutting through your data or just being a visual nuisance. To make it disappear from your view, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Excel window and click on the View tab. Here you'll notice three distinct options: Normal, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout. These options are also conveniently located as icons in the bottom right corner of the Excel window, in case you prefer clicking there. All you need to do is switch over to Normal View. Once you do that, you'll notice the watermark vanishes from your screen, almost like magic. This instantly clears up your workspace and lets you focus purely on your data without any distractions. Now let's tackle the second type of watermark, the kind that only shows up when you're ready to print or when you're using Print Preview. These sneaky watermarks are often embedded within the header or footer of your worksheet. To get rid of these, you'll want to head to the Page Layout tab. Look for the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. Clicking this arrow opens up the Page Setup dialog box. From here, navigate over to the Header/Footer tab and click on the button that says Custom Header. In this section, you might see some text that says Picture or perhaps another watermark-related text. What you're going to do is simply delete this text. Yep, it's as easy as hitting that backspace button until it's gone. Once you've done that, click OK. You're not quite done yet. After closing the custom header window, you'll need to hit OK again to close the Page Setup dialog box. Now that you're back out, go ahead and check your print preview. The watermark should be completely gone, leaving you with a crisp and clean document, ready to be printed without any surprises. And there you have it, two simple ways to remove watermarks from Excel, ensuring your worksheets are as clear and professional looking as you need them to be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Excelling.